Finally, guys, we have something to cook today. Finally, we have something to cook today. So I got my market yesterday, being Saturday. Almost all the things that I bought, I supposed to unpack them, but because of time and this thing, I couldn't do that. So I have to keep it. I just select the one that I used and make my soup yesterday, and these are the ones that I'll be using to do my stew today. If you know me well and if you know this channel, you should know that this is the sachet tomato that I normally use. I love this tomato, no be for plain. This is not an ad, understand? I love this tomato so much. If you cook your jollof rice with it, you bite your finger while eating it. So I even love it in cooking my stew. Okay, so that is it. I didn't unpack anything yesterday. So this one is my oil. This is my groundnut oil. I didn't unpack them yesterday. So this is rice. I got one mudu of rice. I'm going to use this one to be adding up to the ones I have, just adding up. This is scent leaf. I got scent leaf yesterday. Okay. And then this is banga. My customer used to sell it. A mudu is like 1,200 naira. So if you are not in AC, you tell me, just use the comment section. Like, how much did you buy a banga? A mudu of banga, how did you buy it? Is it by measuring or by cup? But here you normally buy, we use mudu, in North we use mudu. Okay? So mudu here is 1,000, either 1,000 or 1,002. So I just select this one that will be eating. I'm going to be roasting it to eat. Okay? So this is it. And this one is tomato. Yes. So if you know this channel and if you know me well, you know that I'm in Jos, and they say tomato Jos. So the supply tomato, we are the ones that farm tomato here. Most especially when it comes to maybe the place that they produce that in, sometimes it used to cost. When you go to other cities, maybe there's the ones to buy from us. It's very cheap there. But anyways, I think this is the season, and this time around the tomato is not expensive. So I got this one at a rate of 1,200. This is 1,200, this tomato. So what do you think? Do you think it's cheap or you think it's expensive? This one for 1,200. Okay, so we're going to be cooking them. I cooked my tomato before. Sorry, there is onion inside, and this onion. So what do you think about onion? Do you know there is a time that we bought this one for 500 naira onion? But this time around, this one, I got it for 300. Yeah, onion is coming out gradually. You see? So I got this one for 300 naira. What do you think about? Do you think it's cheap? It's cheap, not what you think. But to compare it with your side is what I mean. Okay? Compare it with your side. Do you think it's cheaper here or your side own is cheaper? Okay? So what I mean for me to compare it from my side and your side, you think it's cheap or expensive? Okay? So that is it. So we're making stew as usual. Today is Sunday. I couldn't go to church. You know why? Because I don't make my stew yesterday. Yes. Yesterday was very occupied. I couldn't make my stew. And I couldn't wake very early in the morning to come and do it. So I have to do it. I'm not going to be using all. I have to remove some. Yeah, I will. 2 million is okay. So if you know me very well, I cook my tomato. First of all, I have to cook it. Then after cooking it, I will pound. Yeah, because I have no blender yet. got one for myself. You know, this is how we normally do it in Africa. So I'm going to be putting it in my fire. And if you know me very well, you know that it's charcoal that I use. I don't use stove nor gas cooker, so I use charcoal to cook my food. That is village life, okay? So you see the tomato is on the fire already, and I'll allow it to cook. After some minutes, we'll check back, okay? So guys, the tomato is ready. I'll bring it down. So you know what I normally do is that if I finish cooking the tomato before I pound it, you know it's pounding I'm using. Yes, I'm using my pestle and my mortar to pound it. So before I pound it, I remove the back of the tomatoes. Yes. So the result is very very amazing when I do it like this. So you know I use the pestle and mortar to pound it. So when you put the back, it will not be that smooth like paste. Understand? And two, if my children see all this backed tomato in the food, they normally remove it. See the way this scatter everywhere. They don't eat it. Most sometimes myself do not like this too because of this. Then I said, why not? If not, let me be removing. Mama, Yane. Let me be removing the back. Okay, so then I decided to be removing the back of the tomatoes before I pan them. So after panning this thing, it will be smooth. So this is how I do it. Mama, yeah. Yana kasa lefa. Chidubem. Yeah, yana kasa. A cikin nan. A cikin akwai wani ɗaki. Nas. Ba da shiri. Akwai wani ɗaki a sama. Ka so ka kasa. A cikin big parlor ɗin na ba. Akwai wani ɗaki a wurin da ana ɗara kwali a wurin. Su za kin ba ka wai kana da ta. Mama we ga. So guys, we'll be making our stew now. I think most of the thing is ready. Let me cut the onion. So guys, I just added my patty jollof paste. Fresh tomato. You all know that I pan it with baby things. So see the outcome after I finish panning it. You see? Now I remove the bag. So how did our stew look? I just put this thing. It has not fried, okay? So how do you look? Does it look like an African village cooking, or it look like a city African this thing? Yeah.
Attention.
So guys, as you can see, our stew is ready. So at this point, I hope you enjoyed the video. Please do what you like, comment, and also share, and also subscribe. Especially, please subscribe to the channel. Give it a thumbs up. See you in another.